Today we will start the process of drawing our dream house. We will do it step by step. First of all, we will make lines for the walls of the house. The second step, we draw a triangle for the roof of the house. So, moving on to the third step, we create box lines for the windows and doors. Finally, our dream house is finished. We will draw small circles for the bushes, make lines for the twigs, then make circles for the leaves. Then, let's add small clouds and the sun to make our picture even more beautiful, okay?